Want to buy a second-hand or used Apple Watch, but you are scared of scammers? By watching this video, you can get a good deal if you know what to check before buying. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a used Apple Watch safely and what to look out for. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before purchasing, what you have to inspect the Apple Watch. Before purchasing, you need to inspect the Apple Watch. Things like check for scratches, dents, and chips on the screen and casing. Examine the digital crown and side button for smooth operation. Ensure the display is bright, clear, and responsive to touch. Test all corners and edges. Test if the speaker and microphone work correctly by making a call or using Siri. Confirm that the seller has removed activation lock. They need to unpair the watch from their iPhone and Apple ID. Now try these advanced tips. Tip 1. Check the serial number. Ask the seller for the serial number, or you can usually find it in Settings. To do that, go to Settings on the Apple Watch. Tap General. Now tap About. Scroll down. Here you will see the serial number. Copy this number. Now go to the browser on your iPhone. Search IMEI. Check for Apple Watch. Open any website to check your serial number. Here, enter your serial number, and then tap Check. Verify that you're a human if it asks. Here it is. Now verify originality. Check warranty status. Check estimated and valid purchase date. Tip 2. Check battery health. Go to the Settings app on the Apple Watch. Scroll down, find Battery, tap on it, then tap on Battery Health. Scroll down, see the maximum battery capacity, and make sure that it is over 85%. And that's it. This is how you can buy a used Apple Watch safely. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.